Comment below what song that was. Yeah, comment below. Alright, so in today's... Well, hello guys, what is up? Today's episode, we're going to be making some origami swords. So kind of like this. Or... like this. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the pocket knife, then I'll be showing you how to make the sword. So we're going to make the pocket knife, so basically what you're going to need is basically what you're going to need. So you're going to need some construction paper, and then you're going to need some paper. See, like paper, construction paper, yeah. So you're going to need that. Then what you're going to need is you're going to need a pen. You're going to need a pen. You're going to need a ruler or something to draw straight lines with. Whatever you have that's straight lines in your house. Then you're going to need some tape. Oh, and if you want, you can have double-sided tape. I've actually never touched double-sided tape in my life until today. But, see, look, I will prove it to you guys. Permanent double-sided tape. And normal Scotch tape. I just bought this yesterday, and look at how, like, thick. There was a plus 200 inches. So, yeah. Yeah, let's get this video underway. So, let me just move my camera down. I'm gonna move my chair up a little. Alrighty. I know you can't see my face, and that is fine, but whatever. Alright, so let's get this underway. So, to make this pocket knife, you're going to need to take out a sheet of paper, and you're going to fold this paper a certain way. I'm going to fold it like this, hot dog style, or the long way, however you want to say it. So, your fold should look like this. I'm going to fold it once more. Like this. Then I'm going to fold it one more time. And honestly, guys, these are really fun to make. So you're going to go like this. You're going to fold it like that. You're going to take out your tape. You're going to tape the middle. And you're going to tape both of the sides. And if you have a lot of tape, you can actually just tape it like fully. I just left a little gap so I don't run out. So it kind of just looks like this. You guys, there's the tape. So now what you want to do is you want to cut it. Oh, I forgot. You're going to need some scissors as well. You're going to cut it to how short you want the blade to be. So I've already made this, and I'm going to make it the same size. So this is where I'm just... Alright, so I drew this line about here, right there, and you're just gonna, you can make it however short you want. I'm gonna cut it about there. Now save this piece that you cut off, because you can make that with another origami paper sword. Now I made this one a little bit smaller, and that's kind of what I wanted. So save this for another origami sword. So what you're going to do is you're going to get out some construction paper for the handle. I'm going to use red for this. So I'm going to place it. This is how long that I want it. Oh, sorry, you gotta see my hand like that. So, that is the line that I drew. You guys can't see it. There you go. Look at my lens. Just gonna cut it. So there you go. Then you're gonna put your handle on there, and then you're just gonna wrap it around. Easy. Oops. Like that. Then you're gonna wrap it or tape it. So basically, I taped the whole handle because I don't want this to come off. And you can add a little bit of tape on the blade part so it doesn't come off. Frick steaks, I forgot PSSAs for next week. So yeah, anyways, there you go, paper origami pocket knife. Now, I'm about to make a video, and where did it go? It's so unorganized. Legitimately, guys, this is what it looks like, Okay, this is legitimately what my desk looks like. Filming this in my basement. Oh, there it is. Green one. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make this one in the next video. I'm not going to have enough time. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to make this bad boy in the next video. And you know what? I will do a video showcasing. You know, I should do a video showcasing all the origami swords I made. I should do that. So yeah. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Let's see if we can hit 2 likes on this video, and that would be amazing. And also, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!